Hey guys, so in this video we will be adding layout grid to both our mobile and desktop versions. So if you select over here on the right side you will see a layout grid. Just press this plus icon. On the grid 10 pixels area you will see another icon. Click on it. Go from grid to columns from over here. Select the count from 5 to 6. Okay, and the gutter. What is gutter? The gutter is the spacing over here. You see the white lines? This is the spacing. Let's select the gutter to 16. Now count 6 and gutter 16 is the standard version of the industry related work. If you have ever seen an app, you will see that there are probably the columns only that the developers work on. So this is the most common number you will find ever in the industry. Okay, now I want the same columns to be replicated on both of these three tabs. Now click on this blank area over here, press Ctrl plus C, and on this iPhone 8 second tab, click here, press Ctrl V, and it will auto replicate. On here, press Ctrl V, and on here also press Ctrl V. Now let's do the same for our desktop version also. See, go over here, click on Layout Grid, click on this icon, go from grid to columns. For this, we will be telling the count to 12 and the gutter spacing will be 24. The same reason goes over here also because these are the industry standard numbers. Okay, now let's replicate it. The same thing goes for here also. Click here, Control C, click over here, Control V, click on checkout area, click Control V, confirmation area, Control V. Okay, if you want to add some margins over here also, see, I have not added the margins. If I want to add the margins over here, then what I have to do is click over here and you will see the margin. Let's select and say the margin that I want to give is 16. See, it will give the margin from both of the side. Okay, let's change this to 24. And for the apps I will be telling it let go from null to 16. 16, yeah, now it looks so much better. 16 and margin will be 16. So guys, this that's all for this video. In next video we will be looking at other tools like rectangle, triangle, circle, and polygon. This will be the most useful tool that you will use in entire Figma. So catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.